how to create a new Apple ID on iPhone. If you're setting up a new iPhone or just need to create a brand new Apple ID, today I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and head over to settings. At the top, you can see an account, some settings that says sign into your phone. Since you're creating a new Apple ID, simply tap on that. But if you already have an Apple ID, what you need to do is go to your Safari website and simply click on create Apple ID. Now simply go to it. Now as you can see, my old Apple ID has been here. Simply click on sign out and go to sign in. As you can see here, an option that says create Apple account, simply tap on it. Now what you need to do is simply enter your first name, last name, and make sure this info is correct, as it helps Apple recover your account if you forgot your password later. And simply enter your birth date. After that, you'll need to choose a new email address for your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can create a new iCloud email right here. Then create a strong password and make sure to verify it by typing it again. After that, simply choose a country. Enter your phone number, and then Apple ID will send you code via text message or phone number, whichever you prefer. To protect your account, you can also simply set up security questions as well. Once that's all done, simply you will need to enter a CAPTCHA. And once that's all done, simply click on continue and simply agree to Apple's terms and conditions. Then confirm by tapping agree again, and you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. You can choose none if you don't want to add payment details at this time. If you want to add them, simply enter your credit card or PayPal info. Apple will then send you a verification code. Simply enter it. Once your email is verified, your Apple ID is all set up. You can now start using your new Apple ID on your iPhone for the App Store, iCloud, and more. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Apple ID on your phone.